Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To the Honorable Miss Fatia Khairutunisa Elfami, SPD MED MPD, as the lecturer of the English course, and my dear friends. We are Group 3 from class 2024E. My name is Vina Silviana with student ID number 0H0, and my friends.
My name is Nabila Molina Renandi with last student ID number 198.
My name is Sofela Sasabela Rahmadani with class student ID number 159.
On this occasion, we will present the result of our review of an article entitled Teacher Perspective on Integrating Toddler Motor Development in Pre-Service Educational Programs for Childcare Professional, a structured interview study. Author Laura Gernert and Friends, Journal Early Childhood Education Journal, year 2025, published Springer Nature. Next, I will explain the abstract of the article. This study investigates the integration of toddler motor development into pre-service education programs for early childhood education and care professionals. Using a structured interview approach, the study explored teachers' perspective on how motor development is addressed in the curriculum. 19 teachers from various education programs participated. Data were analyzed through content analysis, resulting in 5 main categories: definitions and interpretation, approach, expect learning outcomes, personal beliefs, and barriers. Finding revealed misconceptions about motor development, its implicit inclusion in the curriculum, prioritization of other developmental domains, and various barriers to integration. The study highlights the need for clearly defined learning objective and evidence-based training to enhance the competency of ACAC professionals.
Furthermore, research objective. The primary objective of this study is to explore how toddler motor development is integrated into pre-service education program for early childhood education professionals from a teacher's perspective. Specifically, this study aims to: number one, explore the current inclusion of motor development in early childhood education study programs according to teachers. Number two, identifying expect learning outcomes for future professionals in supporting toddler motor development. Number three, analyze teachers' perspective on how important it is to include motor development compared to other developmental domains. Number four, identify inhibiting factors that influence the integration of this topic into training programs. Next. Furthermore, methodology. This study adopted a qualitative research design using structured interviews, key methodological features. Number one, participant 19 teachers from various early childhood education programs. Select drug purposive sampling for various early childhood education programs, including secondary education, 8 participants, adult education, 6 participants, training center, 1 participant, and University of Applied Sciences, 4 participants. Furthermore, data collection, structured interviews conducted online consisting of 18 questions but closed and open, comparing background information, motor content in the program, and teacher perspective interview were conducted online via Microsoft Teams and last 16 to 14 5 minutes. Number 3, add in additional text. Text include ranking development domains, cognitive, language, motor, and social emotional. To access teacher priorities to complement the open-ended question and provide additional context for interpreting participant perspective that the structure interview include a small number of closed-ended questions. Furthermore, data analysis, content analysis, ELO, and Candace 2008, Scary 2012, systematically analyzing interview transcript, content analysis appeared to match the structure interview design and enable comparative analysis. Number 2, coding scheme developed interactive with encoder reliability kappa 0.76, indicating good accuracy. Number 3, analytically from Brock, the revised Bloom's taxonomy was used the categories expert learning outcomes. Next.
Findings. This study identified several key findings. A. Limited and implicit curriculum inclusion. Motor development is not explicitly addressed but is embedded indirectly within broader pedagogical content. Please B. Misunderstanding of motor development. Teachers often equate motor development with physical activity rather than skill acquisition. C. Emphasis on practical rather than analytical competition. Learning outcomes focus primarily on the application and creation of activities with minimal attention to reflection and analysis. D. Prioritization of other development domains. Social, emotional, and language development are priorities of over motor development. A. Keliru. Pak, C. Identified barriers. 4 levels. Curriculum levels, unclear goals, lack of time or resources. Practice level, inconsistencies in settings. Teacher level, limited expertise. Student level, difficulties and lack of creativity. Next. Aduh, kok aku macam kayak ngono ya? Kak Express. Oke, bisa coba bil. Conclusion. This study concludes that motor development is poorly integrated into pre-service early childhood education, as it is discussed implicitly and lack a clear conceptual and curricular structure. will recognize and important the emphasis on practical activities over analytical and reflective competencies limits professional readiness. Furthermore, varies at the curriculum, teacher, practice, and student levels, either effective implementation. Therefore, a more explicit curriculum, evidence-based training, and strengthening of analytical competencies are needed to ensure better alignment between policy, curriculum, and practice in supporting holistic development. As a reflection for future researchers, it is important to examine the effectiveness of certain learning models or interventions in improving the competence of prospective teachers regarding motor development, as well as strengthening their impact on learning practice and children's development achievements in a sustainable manner. Wes, wes, terus Vin, wes ya.
Okay, that is all from our presentation. We hope this presentation can increase our knowledge. We sincerely apologize if there are any mistakes in delivering the material or
Vin,
in
suaramu gak
pronunciation.
kerungu, Vin. Ulang.
Okay, that is all from our presentation. We hope this presentation can increase our knowledge. We sincerely apologize if there are any mistakes in delivering the material or in pronunciation. Thank you for your attention.
Sumpah, suaramu.
Hey,
Kerungu, Vin.
iya apa?
Sumpah,
Iya
tertitik.
Wih.
Kalau coba metu asik Jevin. Pas ngomel bumane.
Ojo, gak usah. Enak, kan gak hancet sih.
Enggak.
Biar otak banter.
Soalnya biasanya aku pengaruh bil. Kalau metu sik terus melbu ngono.
Lihat ah. Sembarang wis.
Okay, that's all our. Apa sih? Okay, that is all from our presentation. We hope this presentation can increase our knowledge. We sincerely apologize if there are any mistakes in delivering the material or in pronunciation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.